Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update, or we're going to talk about 4 mega developments that are taking place in Hanover. Now all 4 developments have to do with tourism. They're hotels. Now Hanover is ideally located between Montego Bay and Negril. And with all the expansion happening in Jamaica, Hanover is getting a lot of developments. So a lot of hotels are going up. And because of where Hanover is located and because of the beaches in Hanover, 4 mega hotels are going to be built in Hanover. Some have started, some are going to start soon. Now, Hanover also can claim the town of Negril. Negril is in both Westmoreland and Hanover. And Negril has one of the nicest, if not the nicest beach in Jamaica. Now Negril is full of hotels. And every year more and more are being built. So the section on Negril that's in Hanover is now being developed. Most of it is developed already, but you're finding new areas in Hanover now going to be developed. And you also find that the government is building infrastructure such as roads. So that also helps with the hotel development, because it doesn't make sense you come to the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay and then you have to drive for 2 hours to get to Negril or somewhere in Hanover. So the government is working on that. So we're going to go through 4 mega developments that are taking place in Hanover. The first is the Princess Resorts. A 2,000 room hotel is being built in Green Island, Hanover. Now, the project is being done in 2 phases. Phase 1, which should be completed by summer this year, or should be completed in 2024. Deadlines in Jamaica are flexible. So 1,000 rooms will be ready this year, and the other 1,000, it's 2,000 rooms, but they're doing it in 2 phases. Phase 1 is 1,000 rooms, which will be ready sometime this year, and phase 2 they'll start building those after. Now, the Princess Resorts is going to be the largest hotel in Jamaica. Can you imagine? The largest hotel in Jamaica is going to be in Hanover. Not St. Anne where you have Ocho Rios, not St. James where you have Montego Bay, and not Westmoreland where you have Negril. Hanover. That's 1 mega development. The second mega development is the Grand Palladium Hotel Extension. Now, the Grand Palladium is in Hanover. It's very close to Lucy in Hanover. It's up and running. They have a hotel there, but they're going to be expanding it. They're going to add another 1,000 rooms to the hotel. So they're going to extend basically the existing hotel. That's another 1,000 rooms in Hanover. Now the third mega development is the Viva Wyndham Resort. Now, the Wyndham used to have a hotel in Montego Bay and they used to have one in New Kingston. But those hotels were branded and the relationship with Wyndham ended and other hotels have taken over the resort. So Wyndham is going to be building a 1,000 room hotel in Rhodes Hall in Hanover. And then the fourth development now, this one we're not 100% sure if it's going to be luxury apartments or a hotel. But LCH Developments has spent 850 million Jamaican dollars to buy 3 parcels of land in Hopewell. They're all connected, and one of the 3 is beachfront property. So because it's beachfront property, chances are it's going to be a hotel. But they have bought the land and they are going to develop it. Now, LCH Developments is the company that's building the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. Ultra luxury resort, 4 towers of 28 floors each. Each tower will be the tallest building in Jamaica when finished. They have actually started construction of the Rogers, not Rogers. They've actually started construction of the Pinnacle. Now, the Rogers is a development in Kingston that is 20 floors. It's a residential building. It's actually the tallest building in Jamaica as of today. But the Pinnacle will hold that title once they pass 20 floors. Alright guys, so those are 4 mega developments happening in Hanover. And as we said at the beginning of the video, Hanover is ideally located between the Sangster International Airport, where 85% of all the tourists come into Jamaica, and Negril, which is a major tourist town in Jamaica. So that's why you see so many hotels going up or being extended in Hanover. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.